Good morning once again. Yes, it is still the COVID-19 update on Online Tutors Hangout. So this morning we are having an interactive section, okay, championed by Education for All and also the Community Disaster Mitigation Organization. So on this prevalent issue, which is the widespread and the pandemic of COVID-19, this morning we've had the members of the Lagos State Neighborhood Safety Corps who were here, and this morning once again we have very with us this morning representing the government is no other than Honorable Mr. Segun Oyegbemile, representing who is currently the Senior Special Assistant on Special Duties to Ejigbo LCDA. So he is the spokesman to Honorable Monsuru Obe Oloyede, who happens to be the chairman of Ejigbo LCDA. So Honorable Segun will be speaking on behalf of the chairman on the efforts put in place by the government to ensure that at the grassroots level that the COVID-19 is contained and mobilization for sensitization is also paramount. You know, as mentioned by our safety corps earlier on, that safety is key. So, and information also reaching us that our honorable here, Mr. Segun Oyegbemile, is also a disaster manager. So we have someone who will be able to really go deep down and educate our audience this morning. You're welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Good afternoon, audience. My name's Comrade Segun Oyegbemile. Presently, I am privileged to be the Senior Special Assistant to the Chairman of Ejigbo LCDA, Honorable Monsuru Obe, on special duties. As touching the epidemic in town, the scourge, I must say, of a treason, there has been a very aggressive awareness.
Aggressive awareness.
Highly aggressive, I mean, by the chairman of the Ejigbo local government, Honorable Monsuru Oloyede Obe. And I've been directed, consequent upon my office as the Office of the Special Duties, to do the needful.
Okay.
As I'm talking to you, I am supposed to be in a program tagged Epidemic Preparedness and Response, championed by Ejigbo LCDA, led administration of Honorable Monsuru Obe. But I just have to avail you this opportunity to grace this interview to tell more about what we have done in Ejigbo and where we are going. It's going to be a gathering of health specialists, disaster managers, the community CDAs, with at least a number of 3 representatives from each CDA to come for the sensitization program. Afterwards, we believe that taking the sensitization, the knowledge back home, they will spread it in the grassroots, and that will be a very good medium to curtail the spread of the virus. It is not limited to COVID-19. There is also Lassa fever in town that demands urgent attention as well. This climate, this part of the world, it is most thoughtful that quite a number of people do not take precautions. Do not take precautions. They are taking things with levity, which ought not to be. Let's look at it from this angle. Sincerely speaking, we don't have the capacity. That is why we need the collaboration, the synergy of all stakeholders, the government. Okay, let me take you to the Sendai framework that was organized in Japan. The Sendai framework is a successor of the Yogo framework for action by the United Nations, which lasted for 15 years thereabouts and succeeded by the Sendai framework. Simply put, the Sendai framework is basically talking about disaster risk reduction. Disaster risk reduction. How do we go about reducing disaster risk in our community? We need the collaboration, the synergy of all the stakeholding organizations, both the federal, the state, and the local government.